Welcome to the New Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter K. K is the 11th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter K in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase K. Start with the top and make a line down. Next, go back to the top and make a line down to the left, then make a line down to the right. Now you try. Here is a letter K in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase k. Start with the top and make a line down. Next, go to the middle and make a small line down to the left, then make a small line down to the right. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter K? K is for kale. K is for kangaroo. K is for karaoke. K is for karate. K is for kayak. K is for kebab. K is for keg. K is for kennel. K is for ketchup. K is for kettle. K is for key. K is for keyboard. K is for keychain. K is for keyhole. K is for kid. K is for kidney. K is for kilogram. K is for kilometer. K is for kilt. K is for kimono. K is for kindergarten. K is for Kindle. K is for king. K is for kingdom. K is for kingfisher. K is for kiss. K is for kit. K is for kitchen. K is for kite. K is for kitten. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi. K is for knee. K is for knife. K is for night. K is for knob. K is for knock. K is for nap. K is for koala. K is for kohlrabi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your Venu.